3. Understanding lesson content. Unit 3, Lesson 1, Instruction in Student Material. Work to know. Alternative, correct, definition, false, line, missing, on, paragraph, table, title, true. Price to learn. Work in pairs, work in a group, work in groups of 3, work with your partner, work with a partner, work with a classmate. Check your answer with a partner. Check the following words in your dictionary. Ask your partner about his or her family. Ask your partner about your classmates. Ask your classmates question about her family. Fill in the blank using the new vocabulary. Fill in the chart using the new vocabulary. Fill in the missing letters using the new vocabulary. Fill in the blank with the new vocabulary. Fill in the blank using the chart. Practice the dialogue. Practice the conversation. Practice saying the vocabulary. Practice giving the date. Practice saying the word with a partner. Give examples. Give instruction. Give each paragraph a title. Draw a picture in your notebook. Draw lines in your notebook. Underline the vocabulary. Underline the verbs. Underline the sentence. Underline the correct word. Circle the correct verb. Circle the alternative. Match the question with the answer. Match the words with the answer. Match the vocabulary with the answer. Match the question with the pictures. Match the question with the definition. Match the vocabulary with the definition. Answer the question. Answer true or false. Answer yes or no. Answer with complete sentence. Answer with your own information. Choose one of the following activities. Choose an alternative. Choose word from the table. Use the vocabulary to write sentence. Use the information to answer to question. Use the chart to answer the question. Repeat the sentence. Repeat the names. Repeat the instruction. Repeat the conversation. Guess the word. Guess the animal. Guess the name of the person. Take turns reading the dialogue. Take turns reading the words. Take turns talking about your family. Take turns reading text. Take notes about your partner. Take notes on the reading. Take notes on your partner's family. Tell your partner about your family. Tell the class about your family. Tell your classmate about your family. Tell your partner about your photo. Tell your partner about your weekend. Unit 4, Communicating Lesson Content. Unit 4, Lesson 1, Understanding and Communicating Lesson Goals. Words to know. Communicate, finally, furniture, preface, review, room, sequence, summarize. Prices to learn. Reviewing from the previous class. Let's review yesterday's lesson. Let's review today's word. Let's review today's lesson. Let's review what you learned. What did we do yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Who can tell me what we talked about yesterday? Who can tell me what we did yesterday? Who can tell me what we learned yesterday? Who can tell me what we studied yesterday? Who remembers what we talked about last class? Who remembers what we did last class? Who remembers what we studied last class? Who remembers what we learned last class? Are there any questions? Are there any questions about ordering food? Are there any questions about the past tense? Are there any questions about the words for room in a house? In this lesson, you are going to study word about the house. In this lesson, you are going to practice the past tense. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to ask for help. In this lesson, you are going to review the past tense. In this lesson, you are going to work on talking about houses. In this lesson, you are going to look at the present tense. In this lesson, you are going to learn work to furniture. In this lesson, we will learn adjectives. First, we are going to review the vocabulary. First, we are going to do an activity. First, we are going to read about food around the world. First, you will read a story. First, we will listen to a conversation. First, we will look at the future tense. Then we are going to practice the past tense. Then we are going to look at the homework. Then we are going to learn new words for furniture. Then we are going to review the future tense. Then you are going to answer question. Then you are going to talk about your favorite food. Next, we are going to read a story about Tommy's house. Next, we are going to practice the conversation. Next, you are going to write a conversation. Next, you are going to write about your favorite food. Finally, we will write sentence. Finally, we will read a story. Finally, we will going to play a game to practice all of the new words. Finally, we are going to write sentence with the future tense. Finally, you are going to practice the conversation with a partner. Finally, you will begin a project on food. Today, we're going to continue our lesson. Today, we're going to do a project. Today, we're going to listen to a conversation. Today, we're going to practice the new word. Today, we're going to learn how to say likes and dislikes. Today, we are going to start a project. Today, we will continue learn word from rooms in house. Today, we will read a story. Today we will play a game. Today we will read a story. Today we will begin a project. Today we will start a new lesson. Today we will continue this lesson. Today we will practice the new word. Today we will review the vocabulary. Summarizing the day's lesson. What did we learn today? I want to go over what we learned today. Let's review what we learned today. Let's review what we learned today about furniture. Today we talked about word from rooms. Today we learned new word. Today we reviewed the past tense. Today we worked on ordering food. Let's look at that vocabulary again. Let's look at the past tense again. Let's look at making introduction again. Is living room on word or two? It is two word. What is in a living room? Please name the room where food is prepared. Please name the room where you sleep. A chair is a type of furniture. Unit 4, Lesson 2. Engaging study in the topic. Words to know. Animal, chicken, cow, engage, farm, giraffe, horse, lion, panda bear, zoo. Prizes to learn. Think about animals in a zoo. Think about animals in Africa. Think about your favorite animals. What do you know about zoo animals? What do you know about panda bears? What words do you know? What animal do you know? Can you tell me other animals? Can you tell me about the zoo? Can you tell me where they live? Have you ever seen a lion? Have you ever gone to a zoo? Have you ever been to Africa? Were you ever on a farm? Did you ever see a panda bear? Did you ever go to a farm? Did you ever see this animal in a zoo? Look at the picture. What do you see? Unit 4, Lesson 3. Explaining lesson content. Word to know. Food, future, knife, past, seed, spawn, steam, utensil, vegetable. Prices to learn. This is a banana. This is an orange. This is an apple. That is a table. A banana is a fruit. Apples are fruit. Carrot are vegetables. It is a fruit. It is red. It is big. It has seeds. It has a stem. It has a yellow peel. They are forked. They are spoons. This man small. This means very good. This is how you end a sentence. This is how you write utensils. You you use this to talk about the future. You use a period to end a sentence. You use an afternoon to mean more than one. You use a knife to cut food. You use an afternoon to make the word plural. We say is sleeping when we talk about what is happening now. We say excellent when something is very good. We use it after a verb when we talk about the past. We use in after a verb when we talk about something that is happening right now. We use will with a verb to talk about the future. We use the word are when we have a verb that ends in ing. We use in after sleep to mean sleep light. When we want to say you're welcome, we say don't mention it. When we want to say that it is happening right now, we say he is reading. When we want to talk about tomorrow, we use the future. When we want to talk about something in the past, we use it. Look at the picture. What is happening? Try adding what is the boy in the tree doing? I will study. This means that I am going to do it in the future, not now. How many bananas do you see in this picture? Why does this say at the end? This is how you form the past tense. Unit 4, Lesson 4, Modeling and Giving Examples. Word to know, dialogue, location, model, occupation, preposition. Phrases to learn. Please repeat after me. Class, please repeat the example after me. Please repeat after the recording. Please repeat the sentence after the recording. Please read the sentence. Please read the word. Please read the dialogue. Please read the examples. Please read the conversation. Please read the example of a preposition. Please listen to the example. Please listen to the example of the past tense. Please listen to the example of preposition. Please listen to these examples. Here's examples. Here is an example of a preposition. Here is an example of an occupation. Here is an example of how to say goodbye. Let me give you an example of a preposition. Look at this example on the board. Look at this example of a preposition. Look at this example of preposition in the book. Look at this example on page 45. Jack, please read the sample. Jack, please read the next example of a preposition. Let's watch Anne and Jack. Let's watch Anne and Jack point to something that is next to them. Let's review yesterday's lesson on preposition. Today we are going to use the word can. Let me give you an example. I can swim. Can you write the example? Here's another example. I can ride a bicycle. Unit 4, Lesson 5, Asking for and Writing Student Examples. Word to know, adjective, breakfast, brush, compliment, cook, furniture, greeting, routing, tooth. Phrases to learn. Give me an example of part of your morning routine. Give me an example of a greeting. Give me an example of the past tense. Give me another example of an occupation. Give me another example of a compliment. Give me another example of the future tense. Give me another example of part of your morning routine. Can you think of an example of a preposition? Can you think of an example of furniture? Can you think of an example of how to say goodbye? Can you think of another example of a fruit? Can you think of another example of a plural noun? Can you think of another example of how to order food? We can give an example of an adjective. We can give an example of a zoo animal. We can give an example of how to introduce yourself. We can give another example of an animal. We can give another example of a bird, a verb. We can give another example of how to say sorry. Now we are going to talk about what you do in the morning. Unit 4, Lesson 6, Giving Activity Instruction A. Word to know, alone, alternative, article, choose, expression, guess, partner, table, title. Pressures to learn. Look at the picture, look at the list, look at the title, look at the text, look at the table, look at the article, look at page 20, look at exercise 5. Work with a partner, work alone, work in pairs, work in a group, work with a classmate, work in groups of 3. Give information, give examples, give instruction, give each a paragraph a title. Play a game in pairs, play in teams, play in group of 4. Play a guessing game. Think about your family, think about an object, think about your favorite book, think about a famous person. Guess the word, guess the name, guess the people, guess the student. Take turn to read the paragraph, take turn to read the word, take turn to read the dialogue, take turn to read the sentence, take turn reading the paragraph. Draw your ideas. Draw a picture of your classroom. Circle the correct word, circle the verb, circle the photo, circle the alternative. Find a student, find a classmate, find an ensemble, find the answer, find the information. Check your paper with a partner, check your ideas with a partner, check the thing on the page with a partner, check the order of the sentence with a partner. Choose a title for the article, choose an object, choose an alternative, choose word from the table, choose one of the following activities. Match the question and answer, match the sentence to the people, match the expression with the picture. Practice saying the description, practice giving the date, practice reading the dialogue, practice introducing yourself. Use your notes to write a paragraph, use the picture to write a paragraph, use the word to write a paragraph, use complete sentence to write a paragraph. Use the vocabulary in the text to write a paragraph. Use the information from the chart to write a paragraph. You have 10 minutes. Can you write the instruction, please? We need more time. You can have 5 more minutes. When you finish, use the information in the paragraph to answer this question. Work alone to complete them. Unit 4, Lesson 7, Giving Activity Instruction B. Word to know, chart, check, conversation, favorite, hobby, information, interview, paragraph, poem, sport. Phrases to learn, listen to the teacher, listen to the description, listen to the information, listen to the instruction, listen to the conversation. Listen and repeat. Listen and complete the sentence. Listen and check the word you hear. Listen and choose the correct answer. Listen and repeat the conversation. Read about the family. Read about the sport. Read about the teacher. Read about Tom's hobbies. Read the description. Read the text. Read the letter. Read the poem. Read the interview. Read and answer the question. Read and draw a picture. Read and underline the vocabulary word. Answer the question in complete sentence. Answer yes or no. Answer true or false. Answer the question on a piece of paper. Repeat the sentence, repeat the instruction, repeat the conversation, underline the verbs, underline the title, underline the main idea, underline all of the sentence with adjectives. Praise to learn continued. Fill in the blank, fill in the chart, fill in the missing letter, tell your classmate, tell the class, tell your partner, say the word, say the letter, say yes or no, say true or false, ask your partner, ask each other, ask your teacher. In past, talk about your family with your classmate, talk about your family, talk to your partner about yourself, talk to your partner about your answer, talk to your partner about the description, talk to your partner about the things in activity 4, talk to your partner about the people in the picture. Discuss the following question, discuss the answer, discuss what to do, discuss your favorite movie. Write a description, write a list, write a letter, write the word in space, reword the paragraph in your notebook, write sentence about the picture. On a piece of paper, read sentence about the picture. On a piece of paper with a description of your favorite sport. Now we are going to listen to a description of different sport around the world. Listen to the information, then fill in the blank. Can we listen again, please? Ask your partner this question in the book about sport. Then discuss your favorite sport with your partner. Unit 4 Lesson 8 Organizing Student Word to Know Alone, by yourself, discussion, divide, group, pair, partner, until, together. Practice to learn. Please work by yourself. Please work alone. Please work on your own. Find a partner. Work with a partner. Pair up. You can work together, you can work in pairs, you have to get into groups of 3, you have to get into pairs. Work in group of 3, get into groups of 4, work in groups of 5, count off by 2s, count off by 3s, count off by 4s. Sarah, please work with Paul. Sarah and Paul work together, please. Sit in a circle, sit side by side, face the board, face each other, take turn reading the dialogue, take turn answering the question. You have 5 more minutes. You have another 10 minutes. You have until 9 to finish this activity. You have until 10 to finish this activity. Paul, you are A, Sarah, you are B. This half of the class is A, this half is B. Okay, let's check who is A. Today we are going to read a conversation. Can we work together? Can I work alone? How much time do we have?